Meaning of income tax.
Income tax.
Income tax.
Income tax.
Income tax. Income tax is a type of tax that is levied on the income earned by individuals or entities, such as businesses or corporations. The purpose of income tax is to generate revenue for the government in order to fund various public services and programs. Income tax is typically calculated based on a percentage of an individual's or entity's income and can vary depending on their level of earnings. Failure to pay income tax can result in penalties and legal consequences. Overall, income tax is an essential part of the government's fiscal policy and plays a crucial role in funding public services.